Is now the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.51. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this time. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced a remarkable gain of 91.6% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 74 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.24% since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in a strong upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $335.63, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 52.27% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 36.15% and 52.76%. The 12-month trend indicates a potential change of 156.71% over the next year. This translates to a possible return ranging between 72.02% and 115.27%. In other words, the stock price could reach anywhere from $575.48 to $720.17 after a year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike brings exciting news. CrowdStrike stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a gain of 3.76%. It rose from $322.44 to $334.55. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.51%, reaching a low of $326.70 and a high of $334.90. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a remarkable increase of 14.38% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 2 million, with a total of 2 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $789.83 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal future changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached was $336.99, while the lowest price was $110.46. Currently, the stock price is 0.72% or $2.44 below the 52-week high of $336.99, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. Let's take a look at some recent ratings for CRWD, the stock of CrowdStrike Holdings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Wedbush gave CRWD a market outperform grade with a hold action. Similarly, Truist Financial reported on Monday, January 29, 2024, that they gave CRWD an underperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded CRWD with an overweight grade. Back on Thursday, December 21, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Needham also rated CRWD as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have given CrowdStrike stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral stance. Today, we're going to analyze the signals for CrowdStrike, a well-known stock in the market. Let's start with the moving averages. Both short and long-term moving averages are showing buy signals for the CrowdStrike stock, which is a positive indication for its future performance. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, it may find support at the price levels of $321.51 and $287.50. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it could issue sell signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 36.91%. This suggests that further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite the stock's price gains, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning for potential changes in the stock's performance. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the stock's movements. Unfortunately, some negative signals have also been identified, which could have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. This indicates a bearish trend in the stock's price. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator suggests a sell signal. The pivots indicator shows a buy signal 30 days ago. The Bollinger indicator indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 12 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we find that the short moving average showed a buy signal 28 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 200 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 233 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has two important ones to keep in mind. The first support level is at $273.77, just below today's stock price. If the stock breaks this support level, it may fall to the next one at $260.08. So, it's crucial to monitor these levels closely. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading this stock. When a stock is testing a support level, there's always a natural risk. If the support level is broken, the stock may experience further declines. In the case of CrowdStrike, the next support level below $273.77 is at $260.08 and $257.32. So, it's important to be aware of these potential downside risks. To assess the overall risk, we look at the stock's daily movements and trading volume. CrowdStrike has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. This puts the risk at a medium level. On the last trading day, the stock moved $8.20 between its high and low, representing a 2.51% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.01%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on March 5, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at 82 cents. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If this happens, it might be a good opportunity to enter a position. Keep an eye on the volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas, an insider, sold 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz, another insider, sold 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -45.008. Overall, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $324.45 with a decrease of 3.02%. This stock tends to experience moderate daily movements, which means there is a medium level of risk involved. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 29 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike stock has shown several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate CrowdStrike to open down by $2.50 and start trading at $332.05. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.